Amasayin si bay vekule Logan Vanlalmalsawma. Ka nephew kanawi ali fapa aniya high school apas noin US Army tang turin thok chuaka a training a zo nu in California an posa kanin mukhat ema amero chu rin lo deuh main hei kanin mutalo maya birthday alonia vo in hi June ni somni pakwa ania Logan kanawi ali fapa birthday ania hei birthday lomnan minron shit Lawk lawa mase pizza kalai sakang cheu katia hei pizza le turin kan kala achian tenen an ron kala abial nu tenen California military army ania a birthday tan aron honga chu kan ina tlem kan hanlom sakve don ni hi mate chu atraklian bur ron kenga achian tenen nuam ti takin a birthday ron mang turin an local ve a hei alom khop mai chante ron koi khom ve do a pizza for Logan's birthday. Okay. Okay. Pizza's ready. Hi, Milu.
Enjoy.
I mean, the volume's not working on
Okay.
here.
Let me check it.
Here's my phone.
Today is Logan's birthday. He was in California, then he came home to celebrate, and his friends are coming, and they're gonna swim, they're gonna enjoy, have fun. We're gonna have some cake. This is Logan's birthday celebration. He didn't tell me ahead of time they're coming.
Logan,
So-
how old are you today? Okay.
He's not saying. So I'm eating pizza, birthday pizza for Logan. Okay. What can I say? But you guys still are enjoying, right? Cheers. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Mila.
That's
Perfect
all we
day.
I used to jump into it.
Oh, Mila, go down there and show.
Go in.
All right, Mila, you swim, okay?
Yes. 2, 1.
They're vegans.
Even better. No, she's having us give her a sausage roll.
She won't eat it.
Didn't I tell you this like 5 years ago when she was 4? I said I'm gonna be the first person.
Oh, you're gonna make her? Yeah, actually, she's. You know what? She's eating now McDonald's hamburgers.
Logan hian ama to ka thian te nga ve em a aom lo lai pon a thian te hi anu le pa ina hianin an lo han kal ve sia anin bula hian me te hin lo ba chem le thina a thian te hian an nga em ani Logan is not your cousin. He's supposed to be your uncle. Logan is your daddy's cousin because his mommy is my sister. So Logan is your uncle.
Thank you.
All right. Give a hug and a kiss. Give a hug. So sweet. All right. Did you pick all that raspberry?
There's a lot of them.
That's a lot of them. Show me.
There's still more.
There's still more? I know there's some inside, right? Yeah. You want to share with that little girl or no? Okay. It's so yummy. What?
Can I go back in the pool?
You can go back in the pool. Yeah, as long as the adults there, it's fine. Mate hi kan ngai em a alo kho changin min ron to ve se hi kan lom em ani, and we are so proud of him. Khate kha to na ta no ri khot mai se. Thank you so much and God bless.